Motion paths are a frequently used feature in Articulate Storyline. In this video, let's talk about extending these motion paths to sort of create a looping effect, like Mr. Moon up here. Let's go. Hello there, all you wonderful people. How are you doing today? This is Anu from Edwin Learning, and today I want to share with you a tiny ID tip in Articulate Storyline. So right now I'm in Articulate Storyline, and I have this moon right here, and I want my moon to move around this image of the earth in a circle. So for that, I've created a circular motion path. Now let's just preview this slide for a minute to see how this would behave. So here we are, my moon is moving, and it just stopped. But that's okay. That's what a motion path basically does. But what if I want to do it over and over again in a continuous loop? For that, I'll have to create a trigger. Yeah. So let's go to the triggers panel, and I'll go and click on create a new trigger. I'll say storyline, move the moon, this is fine, around the circular motion path whenever its animation completes, whenever the moon's circular motion path animation completes. And I'll say okay. Let's preview the slide again. So here's my Mr. Moon. My moon is going, and here we go. Yay, it works. All right, so there you are. A continuous looping motion path with one simple trigger. So that was the video, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of it, and also don't forget to share any tiny ID tips that you may have of your own. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.